morning, students. Welcome to online classes of the Maths SBR. Myself, Reshmi sir. Last class it is taken by Sharma sir. Now it will be continued by me. So, sir has talked for exercise number 2.1. Second main 2.1. Second main. Second problem. Now we'll move for third main. What is the third main? Third main is in a magic square. They have given a magic square. The sum of number in each row, in each column, in each row and in each column, and along the diagonal in the is the same. Is this a magic square? Means they are saying that when we are adding, the box is given like this. In that we have made three boxes. Four by 11, 9 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 5 by 11, 7 by 11, 8 by 11, 1 by 11, 6 by 11. Is it a magic square? Is it a magic square? What is the question? They wanted to know that is it a magic square? First of all, you should come to know magic square means if I add row wise, column wise, diagonal wise, the answer should come same. As you know the fraction, in fraction we have learned that sir has already given the basic points. What are those basic points? In these, the denominators are same, but the numerators are different. We can add them. What is that? 4 plus 9 plus 2 upon 11. And our answer will be 15 by 11. What will be our answer? 15 by 11. Second, 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon 11. That is nothing but again 15 by 11. Similarly, third, what is that? 8 plus 1 plus 6. What I did, when the denominators are same, add the numerators. 8, 1, 6, they are in the numerators, add them. Keeping one of them as the denominator. You can consider out of these three fractions the denominator as one of the denominator in the denominator place. And again, if you add means, it will be what? 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So, row wise answer is correct. Now, column wise. Even column wise answer is also 15 by 11. How it is 15 by 11? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Similarly, another column 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 11. Similarly, in this row, what is that? 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, it is 13. 13 plus 2, 15 by 11. You add in row wise or diagonal wise. Now I'll add diagonal wise. What will be the answer? 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 by 11. And if you add another diagonal wise, your answer is 15 by 11. So I can say that this answer is S. It is a perfect magic square. It is a perfect magic square. So they asked the question yes or no, but I have given the steps. First I added by row wise, then I added by column wise, then diagonal. Diagonal means the edges of the each square. If you join it, it will become one line. That it can, now you can consider it as diagonal. Later on you will study in your coming classes what is diagonal in triangle in the square chapter and in rectangle chapter. There also the answer is 15 by 11. So one word we can add it. It is a perfect magic square. After this, We have a rectangle sheet. Note down the question. A rectangle sheet of a paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. Fourth question. A rectangle sheet. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long. It is long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Find its perimeter. So what is the question? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. We know the formula of perimeter of the rectangle. Solution. And in this long, that is L. L they have given how much? 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter. Similarly, wide, breadth. I can consider it as breadth. How much it is? 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter. Formula. What is the formula? Formula for rectangle. It is 2 into L plus B. What is that? A rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet formula we have, that is 2 into L plus B. When we are finding the rectangular sheet is in perimeter formula. Perimeter formula. We know the L value, we know the B value. 2 into 12 integer 1 by 2 plus 10 integer 2 by 3. And another interesting is that again we are getting our fractions simplification step. They are in mixed fraction. They are in mixed fraction. 2 into 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 upon 2 plus 10 3s are 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2 32 upon 3. They have given the L value and they have given the B value. Rectangular sheet, perimeter formula, 2 times L plus B. We'll remove 2 outside, we'll get it as 2 into L plus B. Already we know the L value. What is the L value? 12 integer 1 by 2. It is in mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. Similarly, we have B value, 10 integer 2 by 3. If you convert it, 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 3. Denominators are not same. When the denominators are not same, find the LCM. What will be the LCM for 3 and 2 and 3? It will be 6. For this, I should multiply with what number? 3. And for this, I should multiply with 2. Why I should multiply with 2 with 3 means I'll get it as 6. Similarly, why I should multiply 3 with 2 means again it will be 6. Then we will have the denominator same. Now I should multiply the numerator. 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75 plus. If you multiply 32 into 2, 64. It will be what? 64 upon what is the LCM? LCM is 6 into 2 into 2. Now you can simplify this. Add this 75 plus 64. It will be 139. What it will be? 139 upon 6. And if I simplify, 2 ones are denominator, nothing means always it will be 1. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So I got this answer as 139 by 3. What I got this answer? 139 by 3. Now it is in improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, convert it into mixed fraction. I can convert this by dividing. 3 will divide for 139. I know the tables. What is that? 3 4s are 12. It will remain 1. Again you consider it as 9. And after this, 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. It will remain 1. So I can write this answer as working column. You have to make working column. This answer can be written as 46 integer 1 by 3 centimeter. Perimeter is always written in centimeter. If area means it will be written in centimeter square. What is the question? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. We have to consider the wide means as a breadth. That is important. And the formula 2 times L plus B. L value 12 integer 1 by 2. B value 10 integer 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Now convert them into mixed fraction into improper fraction. You have learned in your previous classes. We can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction. So what we have to do, why it is done? To simplify the steps. So it will become what? 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 25 by 2 and 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. The denominators are not same. Denominators are not same. We have to go for LCM. 2 should be kept as it is. Now, to make the denominator same, for 25 it should be multiplied with 3 because the 2 3s are 6. Similarly, 3 should be multiplied with 2. Later on, 32 is multiplied with 2. So we'll get that answer as 75. 25 3s are 75. 32 2s are 64 upon 6. And if you add it, it will be 139 upon 6. And we can cancel it. So numerator cannot be cancelled. Numerator and denominator can be cancelled, or numerator of one fraction will get cancelled with the denominator of another fraction. 2 1s are 2 3s are, and we got this answer as 139 by 3. And if you divide it here, improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction by the division method. Quotient should be written in whole number place. Quotient. What is the quotient? 46. What is the divisor? It should be written in the denominator. What is the dividend? Dividend. Already we have dividend as 139. Remainder is written in the numerator. So what is the final answer for this solution? Means 46 integer 1 by 3. After this we have Fifth question. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and rectangle BCDE. They have given a diagram. Fifth one. What is that answer? 5 by 2 centimeter. A, B, C. Similarly, 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter and 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter, and last they have given 7 by 6 centimeter. Now we can consider this as C and this as D. What is the question? First one. First question is triangle ABE. What we have to find? Perimeter. And whose perimeter is greater? First you have to find the perimeter. Consider the triangle perimeter. What is the perimeter? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. First I consider ABE. Where is that ABE? ABE. I have written it as C. Make it as E. ABE. Now add those. What is that? AB plus BE plus EA. If you add, we get the perimeter of this. That is nothing but 5 by 2 plus 2 integer 3 by 4 plus 3 integer 3 by 5. What I did? Perimeter of this means, first question, perimeter. That is AB, BE and AE or EA, both are same. Now, first 5 by 2 should be kept as it is. 5 by 2 should be kept as it is. Then later on we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. What it is? 11 by 4. Similarly, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5. Now, are the denominators are same? No. We have to move for LCM. What will be the LCM for these numbers? 2 as it is. Again 2 as it is. And last 5. What will be the LCM? 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So I got this as 20. So for this I should multiply with 10. For this I should multiply with 5. And for this I should multiply with 4. Remember this. This is the easiest method to solve the problem when the fractions are given with different denominators. Don't spend your much of the time in finding the LCM and converting them into the same denominators. So easy method. For 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55, 18 4s are. What will be the answer for 18 4s are means? It will be 72. It will be 72 totally divided by 20. Now add it. If you add means it will be 105. 105 plus 72, it will be 177. What will be the answer? 177 upon 20. Now it is in improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Divide it. If you divide working column WC, WC means working column. You have to show it in your classwork with a pencil. Some of the students, topper students, they have done it last year. I saw their classwork. It was very nice. This year also you have to do it. And we know that 28 are 160. 28 are 160. It will remain 7. So I can convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. The quotient should be written in whole number place, and the divisor should be written in the denominator. Remainder should be written in the numerator. And it is given in centimeter or what? Yes, it is given in centimeter. Perimeter is, if it is given in centimeter, means write it as centimeter. And if it is given as a millimeter, means millimeter you write. Kilometer means kilometer you write. Now first question of this bit, fifth bit, first question. Fifth bit, first question. Now second question. What is the second question? The second question is fifth bit. Two questions are there. What is that? The rectangle. Now they have given rectangle. So at that time, what we have to do means draw the diagram. What is the diagram for rectangle? That is 7 by 6. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If it is 7 by 6 means it will be 7 by 6. And if it is 2 integer 3 by 4 means centimeter means it is also 3 by 4 centimeter. What is the alphabet given for this? B, C, D, and E. See students, what I done? The original diagram is here. They have given 2 by 3, 2 integer 3 by 4. Opposite side means it is also 2 integer 3 by 4. Similarly, 7 by 6 means it is also 7 by 6. Now, according to the perimeter of the rectangle, sum of all sides, what is that? 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6. Then later on we have 2 integer 3 by 4 plus 2 integer 3 by 4. Now, 7 by 6 should be kept as it is. 7 by 6 should be kept as it is. 2 integer 3 by 4. If you convert means it will be 11 by 4. How many times? 2 times. Are the denominators are same? No. Denominators are not same. What we have to do? We have to find the LCM. For this, I will consider it as A. Later on, I will say why I written it as A. Now, what will be the LCM? LCM for these numbers it will be 12. How to find LCM? 6, 6. Then we have 4, 4. 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Then later on we have 2. 3 as it is, 1, 1. Similarly, last 1, 1, 1. And the LCM is 3, 4, 3, 12. After this, we can multiply with what? 2. We can multiply with 2. We can multiply with 3. We can multiply with 3. Remember this. Why I multiplied with 2? 6 2s are 12. Why I multiplied with 3? 3 4s are 12. Now 7 2s are, it will be 14. 7 2s are 14. Similarly, what is that? 11 3s are 33. How many times? 2 times. Upon denominator 12. LCM is 12. Now add this. If you add all together, we'll get this as, what will be our answer? Our answer will be 94. 94 upon 12. Now cancel with the 2 table. Cancel this with the 2 table. 2 6 are, and this can be written as 8 and 7 are. And the answer is 47 by 6. What is the answer? 47 by 6. Now I can divide this. 6 will divide for 47. 6 will divide for 47. It will be 6 7s are 42. And it will remain 5. What it will remain? 5. And I can write this answer as 7 integer 5 by 6. What I did? Quotient should be written in whole number place. Remainder should be written in the numerator. and the divisor should be written in the denominator with the centimeter. Now this is for rectangle and that is for triangle. Now can you say for me A is bigger or B is bigger? In whole number place 8 it is. In whole number place 7 it is. 7 is bigger or 8 is bigger? It is a A. A is bigger than B. What is the meaning of this? They asked the question whose perimeter is greater. So we can say that the perimeter of what was that? ABE. Triangle AB, triangle ABE perimeter is greater. Triangle ABE perimeter is greater. So they asked about the rectangle and triangle, but the triangle perimeter is greater. Why it is greater? Here it is 8 integers 7 by 20, but here in triangle it is 8 integers 7 by 20, but here it is 7 integers 5 by 6. Now you understood why I have written here it as A and why I have written here it as B. A is greater than B. A means perimeter of the triangle, which is the triangle ABE. So we can say that A is greater than B. What was the A? A was 8 integer 17 by 20. 17 by 20 is greater than, what is the answer? 7 integer 5 by 6. Now whose it is 8 integers 17 by 20? The answer is perimeter of triangle, perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater. What we have read, perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater. By saying this conclusion, we can say that perimeter of the triangle ABE is greater. And this question, it will come for your FA2 for 3 marks or 4 marks. It is how many marks? 3 or 4 marks question for FA2 or for midterm or for preparatory or for annual. Mark it. After this, we have another question. What is that? Shaili wants to put a picture in frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by centimeter wide. To fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture to be trimmed? So normally what we will do, we will remove the photo. After removing, we will see the frame. Sometimes it will be more or sometimes it will be less. But in this it is a more. So edges should be removed. That is called as trimmed. Now we have to find out how much it should be trimmed. And the answer is sixth question. Size of the picture. Size of the picture. How much it is? It is 7 integer 3 by 5. 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter, and the frame is size of the frame. Size of the frame. What they have given? Size of the frame they have given it as 7 integer 3 by 10. 7 integer 3 by 10. Convert this one. It is in mixed fraction. 7 5 is 35 plus 3 38. 38 by 5. And here it is 7 times 7. 7 times 70 plus 3 73 by 10. Centimeter. Centimeter. Now what we have to do with the trimmed. Trimmed means we have to make it less. What they use with the word trimmed. Picture to be trimmed. Picture to be trimmed. Picture to be trimmed means we have to make it less. Less means what? Difference. Less means what? Difference. So what we have to do means we have to do the minus. What we have to do? We have to do minus. That is nothing but 7 integer 3 by 5 minus 7 integer 3 by 10. And our answer will be, already we have written, what is that? 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. One is 38 by 5 and the other one is 73 by 10. Now are the denominators are same? No, LCM. 5 10, 5 ones are 2 as it is. What will be your LCM? Again the LCM will be 10. What will be your LCM? It is multiplied with 2 and it is multiplied with 1. 38 2s are 76. Twos are 76 minus 73 ones are 73 upon 10, and you remember that it will be 3 by 10. What is this 3 by 10? Picture to be trimmed. Picture to be trimmed. Remember this answer, and it is for 2 marks. Like this question will come for 2 or 3 if you write with a statement. What she has done, Shailu wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit it in a frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should be picture to be trimmed? And the answer is 3 by 10 centimeter, because it is given in centimeter. Now we have another 7th problem. What is the 7th problem? The 7th problem is about the apple. What happened when parents will bring the apple to eat? Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? So normally in our home, whenever they'll bring the eating materials related to cake or some sweets, there will be a quarrel. So we have always doubt. Here also the same problem. What we have to do? We have to solve it. First you write number of apples brought by them. They brought only one apple. One apple is brought. One apple is brought. Then later on what they made? Ritu ate. How much she ate? She ate 3 by 5 part. See, it is apple is eaten from the apple which it is brought. So what I have to do? When it will be eaten, then it will become less. So first what we have to do means we have to make minus. What we have to make? Minus. So she has eaten the apple from the brought apple. How many apples are brought? Only one apple is brought. So I can say that difference. Are you understanding this one? Difference. That is 1 minus 3 by 5. And as you know that if I write 1 for denominator 1, nothing means it will be 1. LCM will be 5. 5 and it is with 1 and if you simplify, what will be your answer? 5 minus 3 upon 5, the answer is 2 by 5, the remaining part. She ate 3 by 5. After eating 3 by 5, it is remaining. It is remaining. Now what we have to do? And it will be eaten by whom? Her brother. Who is her brother? Somu. Somu ate 2 by 3 part. 2 by 5 part. So this is your answer. But the question is still not went for this. They are asking by how much? By how much? What we have to do means we have to remove 2 by 5 from 3 by 5. Who ate more? Who ate more? Question is who ate more? Somo, the remaining part will be eaten by Somo. That is 2 by 5. And already Ritu ate 3 by 5. Do the minus, you will come to know that. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. And the answer is 3 minus 2 upon 5. It will be 1 by 5. What it is? 1 by 5. What is this 1 by 5 means? Ritu ate a longer share. Means we can say that Ritu ate more. How much she ate? 1 by 5 part. From her brother, she ate more. Are you understanding this one? 3 by 5 is bigger. Already we came to know that. By how much it is bigger? By 1 by 5. Means who ate more apple? Ritu ate. Ritu ate apple more. Ritu ate apple more than Somu by 1 by 5 centimeter. It is given centimeter. Nothing it is given. In previous problem it was given centimeter. Here they didn't give centimeter. Or meter. Wherever they will use the centimeter or meter, you have to write it. In previous problem it was in centimeter. Here when it is about the apple, there will not be any. So only we can say that Ritu ate apple more than the Somu by 1 by 5. Because the questions are Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Somu ate how much? 2 by 5. After this, who had larger share? And answer is Ritu. By how much means 1 by 5. Now last, Michael furnished coloring a picture. Another question. 2.1. 8th problem. 7th problem is related to Ritu. Now 8th problem. What is that? Michael furnished coloring a picture. Michael, 8th problem. Michael Michael finished coloring. Finished coloring. Coloring picture. And they have given the time in 7 by 12 hours. 7 by 12 hours. After this, Vaibhav finished coloring same picture. Another boy is there, Vaibhav. In our class also we have these boys, but I think Michael is not there. Vaibhav is there. Vaibhav finished the same, means there is a time gap. Coloring picture, same picture. How much? In 3 by 4. Who worked longer? 3 by 4 hours. First question is, who worked longer? By what fraction it was longer? Same. So what we have to do means, we have to do the minus. Difference. That is nothing but what we have to do means 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. 3 by 4 minus 7 by 12. Then we will come to know that. Now in this, what will be the denominator? Denominator will be 12. 4 and 12. 2s are 6s are 1s are 3s are. Then it will be with, and it is multiplied with what? It is multiplied with 3 and it is multiplied with 1. And we know that 9 minus 7 upon 12. It will be 3 by 12. 1s are 4s are. So it will be 1 by 4. What is this 1 by 4? Sorry. Nine minus 7, it will be 2. 2 by 12 and 1s are 6s are. 1s are 6s are. It will be 1 by 6. So we can say that Vaibhav worked longer by 1 by 6. What? Vaibhav have worked hours. Question is, who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. By what fraction? Vaibhav worked longer by 1 by 6 hours. By 1 by 6 hours. So it is in fraction. So today we have completed exercise number 2.1. For upcoming classes, it will be continued remaining exercises. And any doubt regarding to these problems, you can ask for this number. And you have to write the question and solution neatly, step by step, with all the steps given on the board without forgetting. And for working column, it should be written with pencil. This should be written with pencil for more information. Even in your paper also, tomorrow in exams, you have to show this working column, how you will get the LCM and improper fraction into mixed fraction into improper fraction. And it is also a 3 marks question for your second month FAT. So note down this. While giving on board, we'll say each point. One who will observe the online classes regularly, they will understand. But it will create problem for the other students who are not in touch. Say for your friends to keep on writing the class up neatly and don't help them, because we are sending the PDF for each and everyone. Those who are in contact with us, only the students who are not in contact with us, they have the problem. But the remaining students should not help for them. Say them to contact for the class teacher. And thank you for listening to today's class. And wear the mask before you go outside. Now I am also wearing the mask. and follow the steps given by the doctors. Keep distance, keep the health healthy.